Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to your tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your InVideo AI account. So once you're inside InVideo AI, guys, whether you're using a paid plan or a free account, once you're in, simply click upgrade in the upper left hand side and the upper right hand side, and you will find the different plans here. Here you can see you have a free plan, and this free plan you basically get to export 10 minutes of AI per week. You get no generative credits, and basically these generative credits simply means that you can use the power of AI to generate videos, video clips, and as you can see on the left hand side, it says you can do text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, and text to title clip. You can use the power of AI to generate any one of those type of AI generative videos if you have one of the paid plan that gives you generative credits. And that's all there is to it. Generative credits allow you to use the power of AI to generate videos, right? So with you see what you get here for the free plan, and your paid plan you get up to 50 minutes of AI, 80 stock, 60 generative credits. You also get 60 generative credits as well for the max plan as well. You get more minutes and you get over 320 iStock that you can use, right? So here you also notice that for the plus plan you get 100 gigabytes of storage, while the max plan you get 400 gigabyte storage. The same goes for the generative plans. One of the massive difference between the max and the generative plan is that you get 15 minutes of generative credits that you can generate the clips for, and with the generative credits you get 60 seconds that you can basically generate for, right? So that's actually amazing as well. So but also you notice that for the and that's really good. So guys, you can really compare the different plans, while you can also check the prices as well. On the yearly plan you save 20% off, but if you pay monthly it's a bit more. So as you can see, for the monthly payment you can pay for the plus plan $35, max 60, and the generative you pay 120, while if you pay yearly you will get 20% off, and the plans are a little less per month. And in case you have a coupon, you can always go ahead and choose have a coupon, and you can enter the coupon code here and simply apply it once you have a coupon. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and upgrade your plans on InVideo AI. Simple click on upgrade, choose a plan that you want. Let's say, for example, a plus. Click on that. It's going to take you over to the section where you can fill in your card details and simply click pay and subscribe, and you'll be able to get your plan so you can get the benefits from it. But that's it, guys.